Imagine a sound constant, yet most people ignore it. This omnipresent hum affects a select few daily. Imagine a sound constant, yet most people ignore it. This omnipresent hum affects a select few daily. It is known globally as the hum, a true mystery. Millions report a persistent, low-frequency, unsettling drone. Scientists struggle to locate its elusive, physical origin. This phenomenon blurs the lines between perception and reality. It represents a profound challenge for acoustic research today. Let's explore what science knows and what it doesn't. The hum manifests as a low rumble, often infrasound. Many describe it as a diesel engine idling nearby always. It's typically heard indoors, worse at night, causing distress. Only 2–10% of populations in affected areas perceive it. A famous case, the Taos Hum, emerged in the 1990s. Residents of Taos, New Mexico, complained of constant noise. Similar reports surfaced worldwide, from Bristol to Vancouver. Traditional audio equipment often fails to record this sound. This makes scientific investigation incredibly difficult and frustrating. The source truly remains unseen, unheard by most. Researchers have proposed various scientific explanations for the hum. Some theories point to industrial sources, like factory machinery. Others suggest gas pipelines or power lines could be culprits. Infrasound below 20 Hz travels great distances unnoticed. Natural phenomena like ocean waves generating microseisms are theories. Volcanic activity or atmospheric conditions might also contribute. A 1997 University of New Mexico study investigated the Taos Hum. Their researchers found no definitive external acoustic source, yet the residents' experiences were undeniably real and consistent. This scientific puzzle continues to challenge acoustic experts globally. The search for a verifiable, objective source persists today. Why do only some individuals perceive this mysterious low hum? One hypothesis suggests unique auditory system sensitivities exist.
Another considers a form of subjective tinnitus, an internal sound.
However, many sufferers describe an external, pervasive physical vibration. The constant low-frequency noise causes significant health issues. Sleep disturbances, anxiety, and concentration problems are common. Individuals report profound frustration and feelings of isolation. Living with an unheard, unproven sound takes a heavy toll. Understanding this human element is crucial for future research. Science must account for both objective data and subjective experience. The hum stands as a testament to our sensory limits. The hum remains an enduring scientific enigma today. It challenges our understanding of sound, perception, and reality. Further interdisciplinary research is vital to unveil its true nature. Perhaps one day, this global mystery will finally be solved. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of unexplained phenomena.